Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Belle from Billie Bust Up. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start with an angled line down on the left and on the right. Now I'll start in the center and let's draw a U-shaped curve underneath both sides. Next, let's hop inside each eye and let's add a curve towards the center like this. And now inside, let's draw an oval on the top left. And then another oval shape behind in the center. And then let's color this one in black. Next, underneath each eye, let's add another curve. And then let's add the eyelashes by curving it down and back up, and another one next to it. And the same thing under the right eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move in between and draw the nose. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw a curve out to the left and out to the right. And then add a curve on top. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. Let's add a small curve underneath on the left and on the right. And then a curve between. And that's it for the face. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides, slightly above the eyes, and let's draw a curve down and flick it back up at the end. Then from the ends, let's curve it back down. Now let's draw another curved point out and back in. And then a smaller one underneath. And then from both sides, let's curve it in towards the center, but let's leave a gap for the neck. And now two small lines down for the neck underneath. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve down to the right eye and back up. And then add two curved lines across. Now for the next section, let's draw another curve over to the right side and up. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw another larger piece out to the right and back in. And again, two curved lines across. Now before finishing the top of the head, let's move over to the left side and let's draw a flower. Let's draw 5 curves to form the flower on the left here. And then add a small circle inside. Next, let's add the horn. From the top of the flower, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then curve it in at the bottom. Lastly, inside the horn, let's draw 2 curves. Next, let's hop next to the horn and let's draw one more curve up and back down. And then 2 curves across the top. Lastly, for the head, let's add the eyebrow. Next to the flower, let's draw a curve out and then thicken it up slightly. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head in the center, and let's hop down and let's draw a small rectangle. Then from the top, let's curve it up and down on both sides. At the ends, let's add one more bump down. And then let's bring it back into the center on both sides. Now inside each side, let's add 2 curves. Now let's hop down and let's add the ends of the scarf hanging down. Underneath, let's draw 2 curves going down and out. And then from the sides, let's bring it out and curve it back in to close off each side. And now inside, let's add 2 curves coming from the top. And that's it for the scarf. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start from the sides and let's draw 2 angles out and the same on the right. Now for the top line, let's curve it up and back down on both sides for the first finger. Now for the next finger, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then one more on both sides to close off the hands. Next, let's move in and let's draw a curve at the bottom of each finger. Then an oval shape on the palms. And then one more curve inside each of the arms. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move in and finish drawing the body. Let's draw a curved line down on both sides for the sides of the body. Then let's hop in and start under the scarf and let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. Now at the bottom, let's hop into the center and let's draw a small curve across. Now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down from the center and then bring it down from the outside, making it a little bit shorter. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and down from the sides and then a curve across each of the bottoms. Now let's move inside and add some details. Let's add a curve inside each of the feet and then another curve inside the outside section. And lastly, let's add a curve across each of the ankles. And that's it for the body. Now let's move back up and let's add the tail. On the left side, next to the belly, let's draw an S-shaped curve out and down. And then let's add 3 bumps at the bottom. And 3 more inside. And that's it for the tail. Lastly, let's move back up and let's draw the ears. Let's start on both sides of the head and let's draw a curve down to the arms. Then let's continue it below the arm and back up. And then curve it back up under the head. Now let's draw the details inside. At the top, let's draw a small curve down. Then let's add a small rectangle on both sides. Then for the left side, let's curve it down, stopping again here. Then let's draw a rectangle in and back around like this. And then another curve underneath. And then let's add a small circle here. And then finish off this ear with another curve inside on the right here. Now let's hop over and finish the right side. For this side, we're going to draw the curve all the way down to the arm. And then one more curve on the inside. And that's it for Belle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!